So hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in your pocket. And MiniMax M3 has been open source yesterday. Yes, you heard it right. The best model by MiniMax AI, the best model for agentic AI is now open source, and it is MiniMax M3. As you can see on my screen, it has been released on Hugging Face with 1 million contexts. It has about 428 billion parameters with 28 billion activated parameters. As you can see, the highlights: native multimodality. It undergoes mixed modality training from the very first step, enabling deeper semantic fusion across text, images, and video. It is using a special type of attention called as Minimax sparse attention and coding and cover capabilities. It's just mind blowing. Here you can see that it is quite good and is a major improvement over Minimax M2.7. It's all released way back, but now it has been open source, and the best part is you can also access the model for free using the API key. Yes, you heard it right. The API key for MiniMax M3 is free, and in this short video, I'll be explaining you how you can access the free API from NVIDIA name. So let's get started. So as you can see on my screen, we are on NVIDIA build nvidia.com MiniMax AI. I'll be sharing this URL in the comment section below. Here you need to click on MiniMax M3. If you click here, you get the entire codes here. As you can see on my screen, prototype, start building. For generating the API key, you need to be logged in. Generate the free API key, click here, and as you can see, the API key is visible now. Don't try to copy paste my API key, as I will be deleting it soon. Start building the free API endpoint also. So now MiniMax M3 free API key is available on NVIDIA, and let me test it out so that you don't feel like it's just a hoax. So this is my collab notebook. I tried to use the content hey, and as you can see, we have got an output. Hey, how can I help you today? Let me try out something else. What is MiniMax? We need to reconnect our notebook. As you can see, this will take a while. So now the frontier model is the best of the open source models. The free API key for them is provided by NVIDIA, which is a great initiative for indie developers. And not just MiniMax M3, multiple other models are also there that you can access. I'm hitting the API key for now. By the time it produces the results, if you click on the model section, MiniMax M3 Diffusion Gamma also is free. Nemotron 3 Ultra, Chatterbox Multilingual TTS. Many models are available to access using the free API key. As you can see, the output is here. MiniMax could refer to a few different things depending upon the context, and this is how we are able to use a free API key using NVIDIA name. So what are you waiting for? Try out the best of the AI models with the free API key without using any GPUs using NVIDIA. Thank you so much. I hope you have a great day.